This presentation on IT services, how to protect IT infrastructure with disaster recovery, is brought to you by OneNeck IT Services. When it comes to outsourcing IT services, business continuity management is critical to the very survival of your business. As the umbrella category, business continuity management, or BCM, is a process of coordinating, facilitating, and executing activities that ensure effectiveness in identifying and mitigating operational risks before they occur, responding to disruptive events, natural and man-made, and accidental and intentional, recovering mission-critical business operations after disruptive events, and conducting a post-mortem after an event to improve future recovery operations. According to the Gartner Group, BCM is composed of 6 components: crisis and incident management, emergency response, IT disaster recovery, business recovery, contingency planning, and pandemic planning. Often, disaster recovery services are used interchangeably with business continuity management, but they're not the same thing, as indicated above. For the purposes of this presentation, we'll focus on disaster recovery since that solution is the most commonly marketed among IT services providers. The types of disaster events are varied, including hardware errors, equipment failures, power outages, fire, cyber threats, and more. While hardware errors and failure events can be eliminated by backup equipment, power, fire, and network events can be eliminated by using a second data center and backup equipment. Enlisting an IT services provider can reduce disaster recovery and subsequently business risks. According to multiple studies by the Contingency Planning Research and Strategic Research Corporation, Pepperdine University, and the Kroll On-Track Data Recovery Services, the primary causes for data loss were caused by equipment and personnel issues. An IT services environment not using the best and most advanced technologies has a greater risk of malfunctioning and causing serious data loss. In addition, inexperienced or untrained IT services staff can make mistakes that lead to data loss. Both of these risks, as well as other causes of data loss, can be greatly reduced and even eliminated in an outsourcing environment. To ensure a disaster will not take down a company, outsourced IT services are often used. It is very unlikely a company can achieve a high level of profitability on its own without the partnership of an expert outsourcer. Outsourcing an IT environment is typically the quickest and most cost-effective way to accommodate the disaster recovery needs of mission-critical applications. OneNeck's disaster recovery IT services assures our customers' data, networks, and systems are protected and quickly recoverable upon the declaration of a disaster. These services can include redundant hardware, advanced networking architectures, customized backup and recovery solutions, data center options, and a skilled staff to execute the plan. Simulations and testing are used to verify readiness and fine-tune disaster recovery documentation. OneNeck can deliver solutions that range from helping your company develop a plan to providing a replicated hot site. OneNeck's IT services are broad and far-reaching. We're perfectly positioned to address the diverse and complex needs of any company. We service thousands of customer locations, both in the U.S. and around the world, out of our North American and UK data centers. OneNeck's data centers are deliberately located in the most desirable locations to minimize the risks of natural disasters. Every effort is taken to eliminate all interruptions to power and telecommunication systems. Many options exist to address disaster recovery in an outsourced environment. To provide the best disaster recovery solution that supports the customer's business requirements, OneNeck can provide a disaster recovery assessment. During this assessment, we categorize the current portfolio of applications and build a tiered disaster recovery strategy with very specific RTO and RPO needs. Then we can help the customer execute the disaster recovery strategy customized to specific business needs. A proven IT services outsourcing provider like OneNeck maintains the latest technologies and processes to keep applications running. In the rare event of a system or hardware malfunction, we can restore services quickly through backup capabilities. Human error is drastically curtailed in our environments because application management functions are performed on a regular basis. In addition, our staff has the breadth and depth of expertise to keep everything running smoothly. About the author. Chuck Vermillion is the CEO and founder of OneNeck IT Services, a leading provider of hosted application management and managed services since 1997. For more information about IT services, visit us at oneneck.com/solutions today.